You can solve this problem, finding the value of x. It's very easy, so easy that you'll do it in a matter of seconds. Pause the video, solve it quickly, go to the comments, and write your answer. At the end, the answer in the video will be the same as yours. Isn't that amazing? Let's solve this problem. What is the value of x? We have 2, 49, 5, 3, 25, 2, 4x, and 2. The possible answers are 16, 36, 64, and 81. Generally, in this type of problem, the two outer numbers have some relationship with the middle number. Look at 2 and 5. If we add them, we get 7, but here we have 49. If we multiply, 5 times 2 is equal to 10, not 49. But if we think a little more, we see that 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and 7 squared is 49. Oh, we've probably discovered something important. Let's see if this works for the next number. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 squared is 25. Oh, so we're on the right track. Now for plus 2, what is that? 6, and 6 squared is 36. So what is your answer? The answer is B. See how you learned something new with this problem? Thank you for watching this video. Let's do another exercise from your Smart Brain channel. Look at this expression, 24 divided by 3, multiplied by 2, minus 4 squared. Where do we start? That's the big question. This exercise is very easy. I'm sure you'll do it very well, but for that, I need you to pause the video, try to solve it, and write your answer. Where? In the comments. After the video, I'll see how many people got it right or wrong, and I'm sure you'll get it right. Very good. Let's solve it. Look, when we have combined operations, in this case, multiplication, division, and subtraction, we also have an exponent. What is the order? What is the hierarchy? First, we do the exponent, then multiplication and division, and finally, addition and subtraction. So, I'm going to start with the exponent. I'm going to rewrite this by calculating the exponent and see what it looks like. It will look like this: 24 divided by 3, multiplied by 2, minus 16, instead of 4 squared. Very good. Here I have a division, a multiplication, and subtraction. Where do I start? With the multiplication and division. You say, I have a division here, and a multiplication here. What do I do first? Well, I go from left to right. Remember, we always go from left to right. So, 24 divided by 3, mentally, 24 divided by 3 is 8, right? Why? Because 8 times 3 is 24. Very good. 8 times 2 minus 16. Excellent. Now I have the multiplication and the division. Where do I start? I'll start with the multiplication. Obviously, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 minus 16, mentally, this will be equal to 0. Answer A. Now, mark option A. Now I want you to look at this problem. What is the square root of 3 plus 2 by 2, 3? Option A, 4. Option B, 3. Option C, 2. Or option D, 1. Which do you think is the correct answer? A, B, C, or D? Write your answer in the comments. But of course, you have to pause the video, so you have time to think. I don't want to give you the answer right away. It's good for you to exercise your brain. Okay, let's solve this problem. But first, I want to tell you that if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're missing out on some great stuff, like the math problems we have here on our Smart channel. It's good for your brain and helps train your neurons. Okay, let's do this. The square root of. What's inside the square root? We have 3 plus 2 by 2, 3. Where do we start? With the multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. So what do we have? 3 plus 4 to 3. There it is. I rewrite it, doing the calculations. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Or I could simply simplify that part. So, I'm left with the square root of 4. I look at my options, and obviously, it can only be option C. The square root of 4 is 2. Now you can mark option C. Thank you very much for watching this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.